Let's say you just loaded a new LiDAR project into VisionLidar. Millions of unclassified points. Normally, this is where the manual work begins. Not anymore. Go to the AI Tools menu and open Automatic Classification. The first thing you do is select the engine. Choose VisionLidar 2.0, the recommended option, and you're unlocking the full performance of our next-generation AI. For corridor projects, roads, railways, pipelines, use by corridor mode. Next, select your model. VisionLidar ships with 4 built-in models: mobile, indoor, aerial, and mobile with RGB. If you've trained a custom model, it appears here too. With VisionLidar 2.0, you can ignore specific classes at inference time without retraining the model. You can do so by unchecking the class that you want to ignore. When you're ready, click Classify. What took hours before now takes minutes. Billions of points automatically classified, ready for your next workflow step. That's the VisionLidar 2.0 engine at work, 10 times faster and 10 times more GPU efficient. And the results speak for themselves, far better. In the next video, we'll show you how to train a new custom model specific for your data, either from scratch or an already pre-trained model. Stay tuned.